I woke up in Canada Seas on a perfectly fine day. The seal had broken overnight, the seals apparently do. Gal was back, as wasn't far behind. I'd been through this before, well not me exactly, but close enough. I picked up the first store, blew one by the door. Didn't ask what it was for, already knew the score. Turned into a dragon, breathed some fire down the hall. Felt pretty good about it, considered that a win. 8 stages, 8 tomes to retrieve. 8 bosses who look surprised, like they didn't believe anyone would actually show up again. I ran through the tower, I picked up the orbs, I became what the moment required. And I kept moving forward because forward was there, and God wasn't going to seal himself. I did it before, I'll do it again. That's just how this works, apparently. Stage 3 had a maze, I took 3 wrong doors. Found a room full of something best not to explore. The invincible creature started following me. That's what happens when you take too long to be somewhere. I grabbed 2 red orbs, became the rage, and the lightning feel around me crackled pretty well. Cleared the room, checked my form, still had enough to make it to the bell. 8 stages, 8 tomes to retrieve. 8 bosses who look surprised, like they didn't believe anyone would actually show up again. I ran through the tower, I picked up the orbs, I became what the moment required. And I kept moving forward because forward was there, and God wasn't going to seal himself. I did it before, I'll do it again. That's just how this works, apparently. Gal managed to summon Az before I got there, as he does. That's the thing about Gal, very motivated, very consistent. I'll give him that. I sealed them both the way it's done. Went home. Peace returned to Cadassus for a while. The seal weakens with time, it says so right there in the manual, which I've read. My grandfather sealed him once, did a pretty good job. Considering I sealed him twice now, which I mention not to brag, but because someone should be keeping count, the tomes are back, the land is at peace. The legend of magician Lord is reborn again, which is a great title for someone who just did this the second time. I ran through the tower, I picked up the orbs, I became what the moment required. And I kept moving forward because forward was there, and God wasn't going to seal himself. I did it before, I'll do it again. That's just how this works, apparently.